I want to give you updates on what is happening in Ibeju-Lekki axis down to Sangotedo axis. That is the coastal road. There's serious work going on the coastal road, which is being done by a very reputable company right here in Lagos, Nigeria. Please kindly sit in this video as I give you information about this particular area, tell you more about the coastal road and where it starts and where it ends, so that you can have a better understanding and why you should look at investing in Sangotedo axis, because this will be a mind-blowing location. Please stay till the end of this video. Let me tell you about Sangotedo town so that you can have an idea. Then I will link it down to the coastal road. Sangotedo is a town that is located in Eti Osa local government area. And Eti Osa was formerly the nation capital along with Lagos Island local government. Eti Osa local government consists of several locations, which is the Ikoyi, the Victoria Island, the Lekkis, the VGC Ajah, and Sangotedo is a borderline where Eti Osa local government ends. After Eti Osa local government, we have the Ibeju-Lekki local government, which is from Abijo. Let me also let you know this, why you should invest in Sangotedo axis. Sangotedo is a home to the biggest mall in Africa, which is the Novare mall, where Shoprite is located. Sangotedo, by all intent and purpose, is a fast growing with a notable business around landmark like the Blenco Spermarket, the Domino pizza, and it also have so many residential estates. One of them of its kind is the Emperor Estate. Sangotedo have beautiful schools, and also Sangotedo have nice view, have nice Atlantic view. Then along the Sangotedo axis, we have a couple of projects that's going on in this axis. One of it is the coastal road. Sangotedo is a small, peaceful town which is located just by the Lekki Expressway. That is after Ajah if you're coming from Lekki axis. The main road that leads into Sangotedo and run through basically its entire area is a road called the Monastery Road. It is a tie road and it's a stretch of road that run through the Novare Mall down to the end of the road, which with a turn that leads to the monastery, the Master Monastery Road. This area is seen as a residential and also seen as commercial location, which is really going to explode very soon. Even politicians and traditional ruler have their eyes in this real estate pies. One of those such politicians is the former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, who owns a couple of acres around this area. And also, even Oba of Lagos also own a couple of property in this area too. Let me tell you about the coastal road so I can have an idea where the coastal road will start. First, this coastal road will start all the way from Koko in Delta State and pass through Okiti to Pupa in Ondo State down to Ijebu Waterside in Ogun State. And it will terminate around the Ibeju-Lekki corridor. Currently, this road is under construction and has been constructed up to Oripo town, which is about 15.4 kilometers. This project is now at the point where there will be a bridge that will connect and cross over the Ologbo River as as the project moved to the west. Recently, the Lagos State Environmental and Social Offense Enforcement Team carried out a demolition that's over 2,500 illegal structure in Mawa Waterside in Lekki, and it was demolished recently. And that is for the preparation of the coastal road. And this coastal road too will pass through this Sangotedo axis. Let me also let you know this, that currently there's this, when you get to Monastery end of the Monastery Road, there is a massive work that is going on all the way from that Monastery Road down to the seaside, which is still part of the coastal road. And there's a company that is actually constructing this now. That means that before the government's own get to this point, there are companies. There's this particular company that is currently doing that road currently. Let me tell you about the company. You can do a research about this company so that you can know that. You can even check, if you check the drone view, notice that they are doing a lot of work in that axis currently. You know, the company that is currently doing this coastal road is the Millennius Data Company. It's a prominent technology firm that specializes in data management and analysis, and they've been in existence since 2000, and they offer a major data service right here in Nigeria, and not only Nigeria. So they just acquired a place in that axis. So they decided to do the road, and this is an opportunity for you, before the government even start doing the road to this point. This is an opportunity for you to own a couple of plots in this axis. And there are a couple of estates that I would like to recommend that you buy into in this axis. There are about 2 or 3 of them which I will recommend that you buy into. I would like to tell you about a couple of estates which I believe you should buy in this locality. Number one of it is the Lekki Beachfront Residence Estate. It is directly facing the ocean. It's a very good location which I would strongly recommend you buy. This estate has government approved extension, and it's a good place for you to have and build as holiday retreat home, getaway location. And just like you know, this area Sangotedo axis have notable landmark like the Novare Mall, which is the biggest Shoprite. In this estate, you have perimeter fencing, you're gonna have a super mall, you're gonna have all-round security personnel, you have a gym, you have a yoga studio, you're gonna have a tree-line access road within the estate. Then also you're gonna have solar power street lights within the estate, Wi-Fi, portable water treatment, you have school, you have green area, a shelter to sit down, you have a mini mart in this estate. So how much does it cost to have a land right here in this Lekki Beachfront residence? So the price for a 300 square meter in this Lekki Beachfront residence estate is going for 15 million naira for a 300 square meter. And we have 6-month payment plan, we have 12-month payment plan. We also have a 500 square meter going for 25 million naira. And you have a 6-month payment plan. You also have a 12-month payment plan, and there is 5 million initial deposit. Want to get a couple of plots in this estate, the Lekki Beachfront Residence Estate, right here in Eti Osa local government, which fall under Sangotedo. The second estate I want you to also buy in this estate, in this particular locality, is called the Bloom Fountain, which is also off Monastery Road. It has a CFO as a title. You can get a 300 square meter for 14 million naira, or you can get a 500 square meter for 25 million naira. And there's also payment plan available for 6 months, also for 12 months available. You can even get a 600 square meter here also for 28 million naira, and also you can get a commercial plot for 31 million naira. It is called the Bloom Fountain Estate right here in Sangotedo. Some of the amenities that will come in this estate will be a fountain, a garden, a football pitch, a basketball court, a swimming pool, gym, and also a commercial area. So it will be a very good location. It also have for a zone for kids where they can do a race track. They can do a bouncing cart. They can do they can be a swimming pool. There'll be a swimming pool and have a toy area and the rest. So have a couple of places that your children can play. It's called the Bloom Fountain. That's the name of the estate. So the last estate I want you to get in this houses is the Peak Luxury Court, which is also located in Sangotedo. You can get a 300 square meter for 17.5 million naira. It has 12-month payment plan, 18 months, and also 24-month payment plan. You can get a 400 square meter for 23.5 million naira. You can get a 500 square meter for 29.5. You can also get a 600 square meter for 35 million naira. Then also there will be building in this Peak Luxury also, which is a 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow. Then a 2-bedroom terrace is going for 45 million naira. Then a 2-bedroom terrace is going for 50 million naira. So this estate will have underground drainage system, covered concrete drainage system, to have paved road within the estate, to have CC surveillance camera, to have modular water treatment, to have biodigest for sewage management, 24 hours electricity and power sustainability, then to have internet service by fiber, to have smart device for remote monitoring, top-notch facility, swimming pool, basketball, to have fitted kitchen for the houses, to have luxury wooden, and also to have smart access, and also is to have stucco painting in living. It will have external glasses, and it will also have smoke detector. I would strongly recommend that you choose any of these estates. I will do a comprehensive video in all of them, so feel free to contact me. Let me assist you in doing this estate. My name is Dennis, and what I help Nigerians in diaspora to own property that have the potentials of appreciating very well. And I want you to kindly subscribe to my channel. I know that you'll be glad that you do. Once again, I appreciate you so much.